What up, YouTube friends? Looks like Spot is having puppies. She just got done delivering one. It's a girl. She's gray. It's a boy. Let's take a little look here. He's cute. Oh, he's a cutie. Spot is still delivering. It looks like it's a full-on Brendel. Just like Grandpa. Just like Hunter.
She has Brendel too.
Yeah, I know, but it's a full-on Brendel compared to his sister and brother, for sure. Obviously, blue and gray or
gray silver. I don't know.
He's cute. Look at that. This guy just came out. It's a boy, huh, man?
Mm-hmm.
What a cutie.
He's your baby.
Another boy, dark Brendel, all around. Doing a good job, Spot. Keep it going, girl. I'm hoping to get a fawn. I'll most likely keep the fawn for sure. He came out, and gosh, it's another boy. He's adorable, and Spot did a really good job here, guys. I know it's the last one because Placentia came out, and I really wanted to record, but that was, of course I'm so in the moment here, guys. I'm here by myself. Vanessa is taking a nap because she does have work at 3 a.m. She works at the hospital, and well, this is my second litter, guys. I guess she trusts me, and sure enough, it is 12 a.m. right now. I'm a little tired myself, but God, what a blessing, guys. We got a total of 4 Old English bulldogs. The father is a French Mastiff, so these puppies are gonna be mid-size guard dogs. I would say the perfect family dog. Alright, guys, I'm gonna take care of these pups, and we'll see you guys soon. Good night, guys.